How to update graphic drivers on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to update via Device Manager. For that, right click on the Start button and bottom left corner of the screen and select Device Manager. Open it. Now here you need to find your graphics card. For that, you need to simply locate Display Adapters option and double click on it to expand it. Here you can see your graphics card. So right click on your graphics card and you need to simply select the update driver option and here click on search automatically for drivers. And after that you need to simply note that Windows might display a message saying that the latest drivers are installed. However, this isn't always correct. So click on close button. And now method 2, you can simply download drivers from manufacturer. For the most reliable updates, you can download drivers directly from the manufacturer. So if you have Intel integrated graphics, then what you can do is simply you can visit the Intel driver and support assistant page. So let's open a browser.
For Intel, I recommend.
So once you have reached on this page, you can simply use the driver scan tool to automatically detect and update your graphics driver. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.